How to edit pages on WordPress. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's guide video, I'll simply guide you on how you can actually edit pages on WordPress. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now there are different types of pages that you can actually create. So in order to do that, all you have to do is first of all go to the pages tab on the left hand side, and then basically you can see that some of the pages that I have by default are the privacy policy page, and I have the sample page. Now if I want to add a custom page, I can just select the option called add new at the very top. Once I select the option called add new at the very top, I have to choose what kind of page I want to create. So basically I have this default theme editor. Now you can also install third-party editors such as Elementors, and you have other Elementor websites and so on. So you can basically create a page with those. In this case, I'll just select it, and over here on the right hand side you can see all this. You can see page attributes and so on. You can choose a discussion, you can select featured image if you want it to become an image, and then you can select a template. You can choose a default template, you can choose a block or whatever else that you think is actually convenient for you. You can just click on the plus icon here, then you can add a paragraph, you can add a heading, you can add a list, whatever it is that you want to add to this page, just select it. If you want to preview it, on the top right hand side click on the preview option, or go to desktop, mobile or tablet view, or else you could just select save draft and then just click on the publish button in order to publish and edit this page. But I would really recommend that you install the Elementor plugin, which is actually absolutely free as well. So you can install that and then design your page accordingly. And hopefully this video helps you in as to how you can go ahead and then edit your pages on WordPress. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.